Let's get in the kitchen and make some lemon pepper wings. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the kitchen making some easy and delicious lemon pepper wings. For this recipe, you'll need chicken wings. I already washed and cleaned the chicken wings and pat them dry with some paper towels. To season the chicken, I'm using garlic salt with parsley, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and onion powder. Once I've added all the seasonings, I just go ahead and massage it into the chicken wings just to get each piece nice and coated into the seasonings, get everything in there so it could be really flavorful. Once everything is all seasoned, this is how the wings is looking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the refrigerator to marinate overnight. After marinating for 24 hours, this is how the wing is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and fry them, but if you have an air fryer, you could go ahead and use that as well. To fry the wings, I've went ahead and prepped some flour. You can add the flour to a bag or a dish and then go ahead and just toss the chicken wings in. Next, we're just gonna coat the wings into the flour by just tossing it like this. You're just gonna keep doing this until all the wings is nicely coated. To fry the wings, I added some vegetable oil to a frying pan, and then I'm just adding the wings in once the oil is hot enough. You're just gonna allow the wings to fry on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then just flip them over onto the other side. When frying the wings, it's a matter of preference of how golden brown you like yours. So once again, I'm flipping it over to the other side and allowing it to fry for another 5 to 7 minutes. You're gonna remove the wings from the oil and add some paper towels, and then just repeat the same process for the remaining wings. The next thing we're gonna do is make the lemon pepper sauce. For the sauce, you'll need butter, lemon pepper seasoning, parsley flakes, and the juice from half of a lemon. The first thing I do is melt some butter in a frying pan, add in some lemon pepper seasoning, mix to combine, add in the parsley flakes, and then mix to combine. And then lastly, I'm just squeezing the juice from half of the lemon. And then I'm just combining all those flavors by just stirring everything all together. Allow the sauce to simmer for 2 minutes. I added the wings to a bowl, and once the sauce is ready, I'm just pouring it all over the wings. Securing the bowl with a cover from a pot, I'm just tossing everything all together just to make sure that the wings is nicely coated in the sauce. This is the finished lemon pepper wings. Super delicious, super juicy. I added some celery and carrots on the side. The next time you're in the mood for some chicken wings, be sure to give this recipe a try. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please remember to leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead and do that, and I will see you in the next video.